A combined team of More Police CID Special Branch and Commando More arrest 3 Rohingya illegal immigrants from DI Park in More Bazaar last evening. State government to finalize its stand on the demands of United Naga Council by April 10th. Manipur State meet on promoting space technology-based tools and application in governance and development underway at Hotel Classic Grand. And High Court of Manipur celebrates its 5th anniversary commemorating its establishment in the year 2013 today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A combined team of More Police CID Special Branch and Commando More arrested 3 Rohingya illegal immigrants from DI Park in More Bazaar last evening around 5:30. The team led by DSP Commando More Thomas Tokchom and More Commando OC P. Tarun Kumar under the supervision of Technopol SP Dr. S. Ibomcha made the arrest. The 3 arrested migrants are identified as Narun Hakim, 19 years, son of Rupa Ali, Mohammad Kalimullah, 19 years old, son of Ayub Khan, and Sabir Ahmad, 20 years, son of Muhammad Hasim from Rakhine State, Bakuna district in Myanmar. Police sources said that they came from Rakhine to More en route Bangladesh, Agartala, Imphal, Lilong, where they stayed for a month. They have been staying at More town for the last 10 days and are planning to go to Malaysia. Police sources also reported that the 3 Rohingya were brought from Myanmar by a person from Lilong. The Rohingyas were reportedly lured by promising 22 lakhs in Myanmar currency to each of their family and be transported to Malaysia. The alleged human trafficker from Lilong is said to be absconding. Technopol police are on the manhunt to arrest the alleged culprit. A case has been registered against them at More police station.
On the 22nd of March 2018, the More CDO received specific information about the presence of certain Rohingya illegal migrants in More Bazaar. Acting on that information, a team of More CDO rushed to the area and conducted frisking and checking. While conducting frisking and checking, we found 3 suspicious-looking youth. We picked them up. And on further verification, they disclosed that they are from Rakhine State. The 3 youths that were picked up are Sabir Ahmad, son of Muhammad Hasim, Kalimullah, son of Ayub Khan, and Narul Hakim, son of Rupa Ali. They all belong to Baguna in Rakhine State of Myanmar. After following up the necessary procedures, they have been handed over to More police station.
The tripartite talk between Government of India, Government of Manipur and United Naga Council was held at Senapati District Headquarters today. Agriculture and Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister V. Hankalian, Tribal and Hills Areas Development and Fisheries Minister and Kaishi and Labor and Employment and Education Minister Tokchom Radishyam represented that state at the meeting. President of UNC, Kaidon Kaumai, General Secretary S. Milan, President of ANSAM, Seth Satsang, and President of Naga Women's Union represented UNC, while Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast, Satyendra Gert, represented the central government at the meeting. The state will finalize its stand on the demands of UNC by April 10th. The next round of tripartite talk will be held on April 27th.
No, we are engaging the UNC on talks. You see, this itself is a big issue and a big achievement for both the sides. You see, because of this dialogue which is going on for so many months, we are able to convince them on certain front, and they are also reasonable in not going into an agitating mode. So this is basically very vital in a democratic setup. And we are successful in that way. Of course, the demands which the UNC is asking are also linked with many demands from other organizations to continue with the district, to develop the district, and some of the organizations are also asking for rollback of the districts. So we need to place these matters at a much higher level in the state government, and the outcome of that will be communicated to the UNC and also to the central government.
There was a hot argument because they failed to comply what we have taken in our last meeting. They denied. They flatly rejected. It was given simply given by the ministers on the floor. So in practice, nothing of that sort. They denied it. So anyway, we have point out all the points one by one, and we have to corner them. And they have given their political commitment today. They will have the cabinet meeting on or 10th April. If not so, they will hear something from us.
Manipur State Meet on Promoting Space Technology-Based Tools and Application in Governance and Development was held at Hotel Classic Crown today. The event was organized by Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MARSAC, in association with Northeastern Space Application Center, NESAC, under the aegis of Department of Science and Technology, Government of Manipur, sponsored by Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Scientists from other states and officials of different government departments attended the meet. Addressing the meet, Secretary of Science and Technology Department, Nidhi Kesharwani, said use of space technology-based tools and application not only provides the exact data of the works of the government, but also helps in carrying out the works faster. She stressed the need for all the departments to take the benefits of space technology-based tools. In the first technical session of the discussion meet, discourses were held on various advantages provided to agriculture and its relevant areas by space technology-based tools and application. Group Director of GLRUMG RSA NRSC, Dr. T. Ravishankar, gave a PowerPoint representation on geospatial technology application to agriculture and rural development. Government officials will also give an overall report on the various resolutions and ideas obtained from the technical session of various departments at the concluding ceremony to be attended by the Chief Minister and Deputy Minister later this afternoon. It may be mentioned that addressing an event at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota in June 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that the Space Department, in collaboration with various stakeholders, should raise awareness on the advantages of space science to utilize them in governance to bring about development in all the states of the country. He advocated the same vision at the National Meet on Promoting Space Technology-Based Tools and Application in Governance and Development in Vigyan Bhavan, Delhi in September 2015. Manipur in the 17th state to hold the discussion meet.
The idea here is that this meet it may not be very, so in the technical sessions, I would request all the departments to focus more on what is it that you want, because that will give us the roadmap for the future and for the remote sensing and ISRO as well. And better governance abilities will be there, because these are all tools, these are all means available to us which we can use to attain our end of giving better governance to the people in general.
High Court of Manipur celebrated its 5th anniversary commemorating its establishment in the year 2013 today. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Nasima Haftallah stressed the need for a modern society to have an independent judiciary and stated that upholding the rule of law by the common people is also equally important. The governor also appealed to make a collective effort to dispose the pending cases, as large number of cases are waiting for disposal. She said the true essence of democracy lies in the 3 pillars, namely legislatures, executives and judiciary, and when these 3 pillars functioned without being impartial, democracy will flourish. Law fraternity of the state attended the event. A cultural program was also held as part of the celebration.
Most people say that believe in the rule of law, yet few can define it coherently. High rule of law scores are the unique biggest contribution to the national prosperity, peace, liberty, and freedom from corruption.
Speaking at the event, Acting Chief Justice High Court of Manipur and Kotishore said that an important milestone has been achieved with the establishment of the High Court, as it has enhanced the justice delivery system in the state. He stated that before the establishment of the court, cases were handed over to Guwahati High Court bench, which causes inconveniences while handling urgent matter. He also highlighted various shortcomings of the court and urged the government to provide in the coming years.
There are other issues which will require attention of all concerned, more particularly the state government, which has to provide adequate infrastructure for the optimal functioning of the judiciary. There is an acute shortage of manpower at all levels of the judiciary, not only at the High Court but also at the subordinate court.
Department of the Information and Public Relations in a press release stated that a series of press conferences highlighting the achievements of the state departments have been postponed due to technical problem till March 31st. Secretary of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Dr. Maishna Vidyasagar, has asserted that there will be quality education in both the hills and the valley. The Secretary was speaking on the sidelines of the inspection visit at the centers of Class 12 examination conducted by the Council in Ukhrul district today. Vidyasagar lauded that no unfair means were found in any of the 3 examination centers in Ukhrul. The examination, which commenced on March 19, will conclude on March 28. Members of the Council, Dr. B. Lahari Sharma, K.H. Ibochauba, and Deputy Secretary T.H. Rameshwar also took part in the visit. The team inspected the 3 centers, namely Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Hongpung, Ukhrul, Sentinel College, Pungray Tond, Ukhrul, and Ukhrul Higher Secondary School during the visit.
Ukhrul district special task force council secretary samak aduga council gi respected member ani ga loina namadi deputy controller loina team mamana inspect tawjarure Ukhrul district oina gi council gi center se humni all together council gi makha laiba charter sing se 942 candidates sing examination thari masada any unfair means sinabagi poram to udaba je we are very much impressed aduna Manipur quality education yam thuna purupang amani and
On the other hand, principal of the Ukhrul Higher Secondary School, Iring Bamradishyam, expressed that many students who are below the poverty line are currently studying at the school and that the lack of teaching staff and infrastructure hinders in giving quality education to the students. General Secretary of Tangkhul Katamnau Saklon, Hashokmi Kongrewo, maintained that the organization has been undertaking various measures of the upliftment of the students in Ukhrul district and stated that the organization will continue to do so in the future. He lauded the contribution of the council in trying to bring quality education in the district and further assured that the organization will give its support.
Ukhrul Higher Secondary School ki oina housing mark science graduate oja manga hangduna leire aduna adu watpana maram oraduna class 6 tagi 10 phawbagi class hing asi phajana chathaba ngamdabagi problem ama yam chauna leire hairiba problem asi tangai phadana yengchanbiba ma dakar le.
As for the present exam, a lot of changes had been seen, and it shows and it's significant enough to prove that some quality education had been placed in Ukhrul also, and I also wish and I also take the same view that the whole Manipur had changed a lot in regard to education.
Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights in a press release appealed to the authority concerned to punish the 4 culprits involved in raping a mentally challenged woman from Uchiwa on March 11th. It may be mentioned that the alleged rapists are currently out on bail after their arrest by the Mayang Imphal police. In continuation of back-to-back recoveries of contraband drugs, 12 assault rifles of 26 sector assault rifles under the aegis of the headquarters IGAR South apprehended one drug peddler carrying approximately 1,44,800 WY tablets in 724 packets estimated to be worth over 7 crore rupees in the jungle of the area of responsibility of company operating base Kudeng Thapi, acting on a thief of assault launch and ambush party at the area yesterday afternoon around 4. The team caught a man with a bag of illicit drugs. The arrested person is identified as Thongmang Kuki, 42 years, from Kudeng Thapi. The person, along with the seized drugs, was handed over to Narcotics Control Bureau and CB Imphal for further investigation. Head Chief of Pungmon Chingchen in a press release notified that the inhabitants of Pungmon Chingchen Khul, the Menglong district, organized a meeting at Village Community Hall on the 11th of March as a mark of appreciation and gratitude to the DC of the Menglong district and relevant authorities for the timely compensation of funds to concerned individuals for land acquisition from railways construction. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on Kundrakpam Development Committee condemning Peace and Development Coordinating Committee for alleging Kundrakpam MLA and his family of delaying construction of the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Kundrakpam Development Committee termed a statement made by Peace and Development Coordinating Committee that Kundrakpam MLA and his family delayed the construction of the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang as baseless. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, Secretary of the committee S. Yaiskul stated that there is no controversy regarding the length of construction for the hospital and that the owners of the land had already given their consent for construction of the hospital. He termed it unfortunate that some individuals are trying to mislead the people by playing petty politics regarding the matter and also alleged that the PDCC are trying to construct the hospital to another place.
Hariba 2011 da hariba zisio salsi jatra hulmaba 2014 da masigi patadar singa kaiga loina yanadana madugi compensation piba khoppa loina loikre aduga health director hamadi council minister khoi unajarure hariba lamgi mafam lamgi se kariguma che na amatta leite adubu hariba makoina masida palliba nibidita amadi lakhisana hariba sijo khoi de chatan hangjarure adu makoina ju hariba lamgi ki compensation sidi khoi da pidri adubu sarkar na masigi hospital se sabda khoi di ayepam laite haiba makhoi dagi chu khoina phangjare aduna PDCC na hospital chindana saning bagi mong malga thamoida haiba hospital se hongkhina bagi adungo che na man mong ma makhoina tholok siamna laibak thibani.
Manipur Dramatic Union MDU will organize the 6th Old Manipur Folk Dharma Festival 2018 from March 25th to 30th, sponsored by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Speaking to media person at a press meet ahead of the festival at the union's office in Yaskul's police lane, Secretary of the MDU Pangabam Setu said that the festival aims to promote and revive Manipur folk drama of the forefathers. He lamented that the Manipur folk drama, also known as conventional style, which has been popular since the independence of India till 1970s, is on the verge of being extinct. Setu maintained that the community will also be extinct when culture is lost and as such appeal for people's support in preserving and promoting the culture. It may also be mentioned that MDU's production Manipur folk drama Haurang Kleshang Safabi back first position in the National Folk Drama Festival in the year 1954 held at New Delhi. Altogether, 6 drama unions will participate in the upcoming festival.
Production post ko apam thidana asingba folk drama asibu yokat bigani propagate to bigani conserve to bigani highway wakhalonda theater tarukna hara horona yabiri bese masida AMDU na thangai sena apenba masim ne koina phongdok seri adu union na sina handak pangthok doriba taruk suba festival asita natana matang sai kya da su leptana festival se koina pangthok na hona jigi gani atei Manipur leba theater group sing sinasu ekoina haijabada nungsibidana amadi folk drama haiba lilagi masal anjing thambiramba singu phajakarba conventional style drama makhala sibu yokhatna nabai damakta achoba thodang lobir kani haiba asimasu aina siena thamjai.
National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology NELIT Akampat Imphal organized a one-day job fair with an aim to provide job opportunities to students specializing in different subjects in the state today. The program, initiated by NELIT in association with Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, was inaugurated by Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit. Altogether, 20 companies, including Geo Communications, along with 4 other companies from outside the state and 16 companies of the state, participated in the fair. Large number of students specializing in various subjects and currently undertaking vocational trainings attended the program since early morning. Some students gave interview to just company that are interested in, while some others gave interviews for 3 to 4 companies. The companies did not recruiting the students immediately, even if the students were fit for the job, as they have not completed their studies. Speaking to Impact News, project engineer of NELIT, S. Jugeswar, stated that the fair was organized in order to provide job opportunities to the youth of the state. Several students who tried their luck at the fair told Impact News that they gave their best. However, the final decision lies with the respective companies.
Manipur leriba laila suheraba tabuk inkhang phangdriba tabuk tawam khangdriba thibam khangdriba naharol sing asiga tabuk pigadoriba haidi job provider amsung job seeker ani sigi meeting point amakak platform amakak ni Chhatra sing si NELIT khaktagi on particular oibenate Manipur leriba any students right from class 8 tagina MA MSc even PhD leriba bhawami anybody who has not got job company sing sidana sida Sanaba Tabuk Sing, Tizerga, Tabuk Pinanaba, direct recruitment process, Amakani, Quinamapam, Pangtok Cheribase.
Interview Moina Adum I Tambaloid Ribena, Comoina course, Tambalo Aganda, Dakata, Aganda, Cold Torcan High. Moik Kagumba, Aquaze, Yan, a Kalagati Cold Torcadogmale. Cold Torcan High Vanina.
As well SMS Hariza 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 Hamatams, the Saturday Yogi songs, only few 5%, 10% Katam Yoba. Maduna Akoiga time to timely contact over interact over and what was hard in the Maduna singing a sigi job fair ma in can count on a Muxin Vira was a Masi Yamna doing what they hiding later and noise it. Software engineer, the Natana tester, the marketing manager and the tech support, the account. The network engineer, Makan Cameroon lady, Ado Sigumba requirements in the Aquadum City, Aquay Satters and candidates in the local can Aquay Adugi Search 1000. Candidates say Aquina target over the minimum 20, Ado 20 Zimang Adum Adum Lawang of Nana.
Introducing myself and asking nothing. They want me to first finish my graduation.
Asing mo di ay na laksaw di hotel gum food and beverage ka related oy bata laksaw ne adom interview pi di dum atay da pisarang adom section phang ne dum khanje
ai wakhanda di randomly oina dum khara dum tawge gen khalle dum manga taru gi dai gi dum ko ai choice tawge dum khalse tammi subject siga high road di koi gi hotel management gi line sida sina khasana dum mal mising ju lamsilakpa thobok thong bagi sang na nemsilakpa Sumba Kiaziki, Toroga, skill development, India Sakanam, Tobi, CCM, Ayokanyam Kanayana, the Pachapaya Daba, the light of a singing, quite a pub, Tabakni and Kanza.
A teachers training workshop under the aegis of Education Research and Development MFERD Hyderabad commenced on the 21st of this month at Pinnacle Academy, Lilong Kalaikont, with the main objective to bring a positive change in the education system of the state. Speaking in relation to the workshop, coordinator of Pinnacle Academy, Muhammad Sahabaz Sheikh, expressed appreciation at MFERD for initiating the 4-day workshop organized for the upliftment of education in the state. He said for experts trainers from Bangalore and 100 trainers from different communities of the state attended the workshop. Sahabaz Sheikh stated that teachers and staff of 5 schools, namely Pinnacle Academy, Lilong Kalaikong, Muhammad English High School, Lilong Hauribi Makalaikai, Ali Public School, Hayal Labok, and Alt Edin English High School, Haibong Makong also participated in the workshop. He said experts are giving lectures on the ways and means to educate the children to improve the interaction between the teachers and the students and how to administer a school. He opined that the education system of the state will be improved if such training workshops are conducted frequently across the state. The ongoing training program will conclude on 24th of this month. One-day booth-level workers training program was conducted at Kurai Lai Kulembi today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA of Kurai MLA El Susindro stated that the government has introduced various schemes for the betterment of the people. He maintained that the booth-level workers play a significant role in facilitating the scheme of the government to the people. The MLA said that Kurai constituency has been lagging behind in the pace of progress since a long time. He assured that he will put all-out efforts for the development of the constituency regardless of the time it takes to achieve the goal. He further appealed to the people of the constituency to cooperate in accomplishing the goal. District Health Society Thobal organized a one-day health mela under the sponsorship of National Health Mission at Kwarok Marine Village in Thobal District today. Speaking at the opening ceremony of the fair, Deputy Commissioner of Thobal District, IAS Haubam Rosita, appealed to the people to vaccinate children from 19 months to 15 years during measles and rubella vaccination campaign to be held in the state from March 26 to April 26 to prevent from the child killer diseases. A total of 6 stalls were opened at the Mela. The stalls include OBS and gynecology, orthopedic, surgery, Ayush, ENTI, DAPCU, IDSP, DFWO, RNTCP, NV, BDCP, NLEP, BDCS, RVS, Wangbal Thobal, Link Worker Scheme, NCB Cell, ASA, and National Urban Health Mission Thobal. Around 10 doctors conducted the malaria, tuberculosis, skin diseases checkups at the Mela. Free X-ray and ultrasound tests were conducted and medicines were also distributed at the event. Idam, the Manipur Artists Association showcased a short play on measles rubella MR as part of the Mela. The Ayurvedic campaign and a mega health mela organized by Kangleinat Naina Lut Ayurvedic Aushadhyala, which commenced on the 8th of this month, concluded today. Speaking at the concluding ceremony at Loop's Auditorium at Yumnam Huidrom Makhalaikai, Imphal West, Director of Ayush, Dr. A. Guneshwar, said that people across the world have started recognizing the benefits of Ayurvedic. He maintained that the government is also putting all-out efforts to promote Ayurvedic medicine, which can diagnose and cure any disease at reasonable prices.
Pithibigi oina aikoi yengbo matamdasu aikoi rural area da leiba urban area da nataba rural area da leiba mafam sing sidaida not less than 80%, at least 80% of the rural population li aikoi primary health care gi oina complementary system natragana alternative system or natragana Ayush system of the treatment is the best away adunani asi aikoi gi Ayush ki importance ama leise Pithibigi
Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorzai Lupt Imakol, the writers' organization at Awang Potsambam, celebrated its 16th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club today. A journal entitled Irao Kol was also released as part of the celebration. Several writers of the organization who bagged awards were facilitated with gifts on the occasion. Nongju Nangna, a book written by Chingabam Sangai Jaupi, was also released at the event. MOBC in a press release notified that the re-verification selected beneficiaries of the health scheme for the year 2013-14, 2014-15 and 2015-16 will be conducted on the 16th of April. The press release further informed the beneficiaries to submit their bank account for 2013-14 and Aadhaar card for the years 2014-15 and 2015-16 to the Assistant Director of MOBC and SC, M. Gozendro, before the aforementioned death. Nambol Company of 5th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles handed over a toilet constructed under the Sadhavana project to authorities of the Utlau High School, Nambol today. Sector Commandant Brigadier Amit Kaptial of 9th Assam Rifles inaugurated the laboratory in presence of the school authority and the students. Addressing the gathering, Brigadier Amit Kaptial said that the Sadhavana is a mission to free open defecation. She said that mission should be promoted at remote areas. He also advised the students to work hard to become successful in life. Pradhans of the area and other paramilitary officers attended the event. Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports under DIPR in a press release notified that the post of the warden and assistant warden of Kumant Lampak Imphal Youth Hostel are vacant. The directorate invited interested and eligible individuals to submit the fill-outs forms to the directorate before April 10th. The 8th Hockey India Junior Women Championship, the B Division Championship, will be held from April 20 to 28 at Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Manipur Hockey in a press release stated that a trial selection for the Manipur junior team will be conducted at Kumant Lampak practice ground on April 24 and 25. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. A combined team of More Police CID Special Branch and Commando More arrest 3 Rohingya illegal immigrants from TI Party More Bazaar last evening. State government to finalize its stand on the demands of United Naga Council by April 10th. Manipur State made on promoting space technology-based tools and applications in governance and development underway at Hotel Classic Grand. And High Court of Manipur celebrates its 5th anniversary commemorating its establishment in the year 2013 today.